Hi, this is Shane again with Balance Pros, and I'm going to show you a couple exercises just using 4 of these poles. So these are nice to define some steps with patience. So I'm just going to braid through the poles, side step in one way, come forward, side step the other way, come around the front, side step, then I'm going to step back, side step again, stepping back, side step again. But just a nice way to frame out some multi-directional gait exercises so I can repeat that same sequence. Other things you could do are step over drills, stepping over one. We could go forward, we could go side stepping, and then we come back. So without too much sophistication, there are a lot of things we can do with just 4 poles. I can go forward and back with the gait, side step, come forward, side step, come back. And again, I'm braiding just like I did with the side stepping, but it lets me work on some stop and starts, quick changes, as well as a few steps going forward and back. So if you can find 4 similarly shaped poles where you work, you can do these exercises with your patients. So as always, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you again in future videos.